Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a permission letter for a project. What is a permission letter for a project? A permission letter is an official formal letter written to higher authorities in order to seek permission to attend an event, use a facility, ask for leave, etc. A permission letter should be written in a polite tone. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a permission letter for a project step by step. Check this out. First of all, just like business letter in general, write the date of the letter. And then, write the recipient's information. You need to write down the full name of the recipient. And write also the home or office address. Don't forget to mention the city, state and zip code. After that, write the subject of the letter. In this case, the writer wants to ask permission for starting a project. So, write permission for starting a project followed by the name of the project. Now, you may open the letter with a greeting like Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs. followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can write the reason why you are writing this letter. You have to tell in details that you want to start a project. And tell the recipient what kind of project it is. Tell what kind of benefits the project is aimed to give. And write the future participants who will get the benefits. For example, the writer wants to start a project of diet and fitness literacy. Here, the writer needs to mention the goals like to educate schoolchildren and so on. And the benefits will be self-aware of having healthy life by consuming healthy food, doing exercises, and so on. And then, write the urgency of this project. You have to convince the recipient that this program is really needed by the participants. In this example, the writer puts some problems with obesity and other overweight-related problems. And the writer elaborate how the project will be helpful for the participants. In the second paragraph, you can write that you are asking permission to the recipient to start this project. And write your hopes through this letter. In this example, the writer hopes to see the principal and talk about this project. You can also write a big picture of the plan for the project. And once again ask the recipient's permission to start this project. Ensure the recipient that you and team will give timely updates about the progress of the project. In the closing paragraph, write your hope that the recipient will give the permission. And don't forget to thank the recipient. Finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely" or "Truly yours." Put your hand signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a permission letter for a project step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you soon.